Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. DJI has long been a leader in the drone industry, pushing the boundaries of technology and innovation with each new release. As we look ahead, two highly anticipated models have been generating significant buzz: the DJI Avata 3 and the DJI Mini 5 Pro. With expectations at an all-time high, enthusiasts and professionals alike are eager to see how these next-generation drones will improve upon their predecessors. In this in-depth analysis, we'll explore the rumored features, potential release dates, and key advancements that could redefine the FPV and lightweight drone markets. DJI Avata 3. The next evolution in FPV drones. The DJI Avata 2 set a new benchmark for FPV drones, offering an immersive flying experience, exceptional stabilization, and robust image quality. However, the Avata 3 is poised to take FPV drone technology to the next level with enhanced performance, superior imaging capabilities, and groundbreaking transmission technology. Expected camera upgrades. One of the most significant anticipated improvements in the Avata 3 is its camera system. The Avata 2 featured a 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR support. For the Avata 3, leaks suggest DJI may introduce a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor, significantly improving image clarity and sharpness, color depth and dynamic range, low light performance for better nighttime and indoor flying. A larger sensor would make the Avata 3 an excellent choice for professional videographers looking to capture high-quality, cinematic aerial footage. Additionally, DJI could introduce raw video support or advanced color grading profiles, providing greater flexibility for post-production editing. Enhanced flight time and battery efficiency. Battery life is a crucial factor for FPV drones, and while the Avata 2's 23-minute flight time is impressive, the Avata 3 could push this closer to 30 minutes. Potential improvements could include higher capacity batteries with improved energy density, more efficient brushless motors for better power consumption, enhanced aerodynamics to reduce drag and improve stability. Longer flight times would be a game-changer, especially for professional pilots who require extended flying sessions for complex shots. Upgraded stabilization systems. FPV drones rely on stabilization to ensure smooth footage, even during rapid movements. While the Avata 2 introduced rocksteady and horizon-steady stabilization, the Avata 3 is rumored to enhance these features further. Improved electronic image stabilization to reduce motion blur. The potential inclusion of a mechanical gimbal, which would be a first for an FPV drone, offering ultra-smooth footage even in extreme maneuvers. A mechanical gimbal would significantly enhance usability, making the Avata 3 an appealing option for cinematic drone pilots capturing high-energy action shots. Advanced obstacle avoidance. One of the most notable upgrades could be an improved obstacle detection and avoidance system. The Avata 2 had limited front and downward sensors, but rumors indicate the Avata 3 could feature omnidirectional obstacle detection, providing 360-degree coverage. This would reduce collision risks during tight indoor or urban flights, make FPV flying more beginner-friendly, allow for automated flight paths in complex environments. Such an enhancement would be a significant leap forward in FPV drone safety and usability. DJI O4 transmission system and improved controls. The Avata 2 introduced DJI's O3 Plus transmission system, which provided high-quality, low-latency live feeds. The Avata 3 is rumored to introduce DJI's O4 system, offering higher-resolution live feed, extended transmission range, lower latency for a more responsive flying experience. Additionally, updates to the DJI Goggles 3 and DJI RC Motion 3 controller could improve comfort and usability, making the Avata 3 more accessible for both beginners and experienced FPV pilots. Anticipated release date. While DJI has yet to officially confirm the Avata 3's release date, industry insiders suggest a mid to late 2025 launch. Given DJI's typical 1 to 2 year product cycle, this timeframe aligns with expectations. With these rumored enhancements, the Avata 3 could be the most advanced FPV drone to date, appealing to both freestyle FPV enthusiasts and professional cinematographers alike. DJI Mini 5 Pro. The future of lightweight drone photography. The DJI Mini series has remained one of the most popular choices for aerial photography due to its compact size, high-quality camera, and ease of use. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to build upon the strengths of the Mini 4 Pro while maintaining its sub-250G weight class, which allows pilots to fly without needing FAA registration in many regions. Camera and imaging upgrades. One of the most discussed potential upgrades is the inclusion of a 1-inch sensor. The Mini 4 Pro featured a 1/1.3-inch sensor, but an increase to a full 1-inch sensor would significantly improve low light performance for capturing better nighttime shots, greater dynamic range for more detailed landscapes, improved sharpness and clarity. While some speculate a resolution boost, DJI is likely to focus on image quality enhancements rather than increasing the megapixel count. Battery and flight time improvements. The Mini 4 Pro already boasts an impressive 40-minute flight time, but DJI could further optimize battery efficiency through improved power management, lighter materials to reduce weight while maintaining battery life. Maintaining the sub-250G weight limit remains a critical challenge, but minor advancements in battery technology could push flight times beyond 40 minutes. AI-enhanced tracking and 5G connectivity. The Mini 5 Pro could introduce significant improvements in AI tracking and subject recognition, more precise object tracking for action shots, better vehicle tracking to capture fast-moving subjects, smarter automated flight paths for smoother, cinematic shots. Additionally, 5G connectivity could be a game-changer, providing lower latency for live streaming, higher resolution real-time video feeds, more responsive remote control capabilities. What to expect? The DJI Mini 5 Pro may not be a revolutionary upgrade but could refine the Mini series with incremental yet meaningful advancements. With a larger sensor, improved AI tracking, and potential 5G support, it is expected to remain the top choice for casual drone pilots and professional content creators alike. Final thoughts. Both the DJI Avata 3 and Mini 5 Pro are shaping up to be major upgrades in their respective categories. The Avata 3 is expected to bring enhanced stabilization, improved obstacle avoidance, and a powerful new camera system to FPV enthusiasts. While we await official announcements, the anticipation for these drones is at an all-time high. Stay tuned for more DJI updates and get ready to elevate your aerial photography and FPV flying experiences. Let us know in the comments which features excite you most about these upcoming drones. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay updated on the latest tech trends.